Okay, now we will going to see the minting NFT with static SVGs. So here's our black box SVG again. Next, we want a way to someone to get this data into an NFT without posting it somewhere like user. So now we have to just copy paste this data to uh, our smart content rather than upload the image or upload the image data, upload the metadata, then we will use that here. Now let's head to this website how we can do that. Okay, now let's paste this code here and encode it. Now just copy it and let's go to the code and paste this here along with data img base. Okay, so now we have turned our SVG code into a nice string. Base 64 is basically an accepted standard for encoding data into a string. So when we say data img image SVG XML plus base 64 is basically saying, hey, I am about to give you a base 64 encoded data, please process it as SVG. Okay, take the whole string and paste it in the browser address bar and boom, you'll see the SVG. Okay, let's try it. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, great. Now we can see SVG file here by using this code. Okay, now let's move on. So this is a way to keep our NFT image data permanent and available forever. All data centers in the world can burn down, but since we have the base 64 encoded string, we would always see the SVG as long as we have a computer and browser. Okay, get rid of the hosted JSON. Remember our JSON metadata? Well, I changed it a little bit for 3-word NFTs. Same thing, name, description, image, but now instead of pointing to the img link, we have put it the base 64 string. Okay, now change it, change that here, uh, open it, it is, paste it here and copy it from here, paste it here, copy it and just paste it. Okay,